After 60, muscle isn't just about strength. It can be the difference between getting back up after a fall and ending up in a hospital bed. Imagine you're walking across your kitchen, your foot catches the edge of a rug and you go down. It sounds like a small accident. But for an older adult, a fall can trigger a broken hip, hospitalization, rehabilitation, and sometimes a painful loss of independence. More than 1 in 4 Americans aged 65 and older falls every year, and about 1 million older adults are hospitalized because of falls annually. And here's what makes this especially important. As we age, losing muscle and strength can make everyday movements harder and can contribute to weakness and falls. That's why today we're counting down 10 foods that can help seniors keep their muscles strong after 60. Because we're not trying to build bodybuilding muscles. We're trying to preserve the muscles that help you get out of a chair, carry your groceries, climb those stairs, and keep living life on your own terms. And stay with me until number 1, because it's one of the simplest foods you've probably been eating for years, and it may deserve a much bigger place on your plate. Let's begin. Number 10, almonds. Let's start with something you can literally keep in your pocket. A small handful of almonds provides protein, magnesium, healthy unsaturated fats, and vitamin E, making them a nutritious addition to a muscle-friendly diet. They're not the highest protein food on this list, but they're a convenient snack when you want something better than cookies. And remember, a handful is a snack. The whole bag is a commitment. Number 9, eggs. 1 large egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein, including all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Eggs also provide nutrients such as choline and vitamin B12, and they're incredibly easy to prepare. Boiled, scrambled, or added to vegetables, eggs can make a simple meal much more protein-rich. Sometimes the foods that have been in your kitchen forever are the ones worth appreciating again. Number 8, beans. Beans are one of the most underrated foods for healthy aging. They provide plant protein, plenty of fiber, and minerals such as iron and magnesium. That combination makes them useful for a balanced diet that supports muscle maintenance, while also contributing fiber and other nutrients. And here's the bonus. Beans are affordable enough that your wallet gets to eat healthy too. Number 7, Greek yogurt. Now we're getting into serious protein territory. Depending on the brand, a typical serving of Greek yogurt can provide roughly 15 to 20 grams of protein, along with calcium, and in some varieties, beneficial live cultures. That protein can help support muscle maintenance, especially when you're spreading protein-containing foods throughout the day. Choose plain or low-added sugar varieties and add berries for natural sweetness. Your muscles don't care if the yogurt came in a fancy package. They care about what you actually put into your body. Number 6, lentils. Lentils are small, inexpensive, and surprisingly powerful. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides roughly 18 grams of protein, along with plenty of fiber, folate, iron, and other nutrients. They won't replace every animal protein in your diet, but they can be an excellent part of a varied muscle-supporting eating pattern. And for such a tiny food, lentils have a remarkably big resume. Number 5, cottage cheese. Now we're getting serious. 1 cup of cottage cheese can provide roughly 25 grams of protein, depending on the brand. It contains casein, a slowly digested milk protein, along with calcium. For someone trying to maintain muscle as they age, that's an impressive nutritional combination. Just check the sodium label because some varieties can be surprisingly salty. Number 4, chicken breast. 3 ounces of cooked chicken breast provide roughly 26 grams of high-quality protein. It's lean, versatile, and contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need for maintenance and repair. But preparation matters. Grilled or roasted chicken is one thing. Deep-fried chicken covered in heavy breading is another story entirely. The chicken didn't change, the cooking did. Number 3, salmon. Here's where protein meets something extra valuable. 3 ounces of cooked salmon provide roughly 22 grams of high-quality protein, along with omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon also provides nutrients such as vitamin B12 and selenium. So you're not just getting protein, you're getting a nutrient-rich food that can fit beautifully into an overall healthy eating pattern. But here's an important point. Muscle doesn't work alone. Your muscles help you stand, walk, and catch yourself when you stumble. And that's why maintaining muscle strength becomes increasingly important as you get older. A stronger body can give you a better chance of handling everyday physical challenges. Number 2, milk. This one might surprise you. A cup of milk provides about 8 grams of high-quality protein, including whey and casein, along with calcium and other nutrients. And because it's inexpensive and easy to consume, milk can be a practical way to add protein to breakfast, oatmeal, smoothies, or a meal. Sometimes the food you need isn't exotic. It's sitting right there in the refrigerator. If you don't tolerate dairy well, lactose-free milk or other suitable alternatives may be options, but check the nutrition label because protein content varies considerably among plant-based drinks. Number 1, a protein-rich food you can actually eat consistently. Now wait a minute, I know what you're thinking. Where's the magical muscle-building food? Here's the truth. There isn't one. The real winner is consistency and variety. Your body needs adequate protein, but it also needs vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and enough overall nutrition. So rotate your protein sources. Have eggs at breakfast, Greek yogurt as a snack, beans or lentils with lunch, chicken or fish at dinner, and make protein a regular part of your meals rather than something you try to catch up on at night. Because after 60, your goal isn't simply to eat more protein. It's to give your body the nutrition it needs to help maintain the muscle you've worked decades to build. And here's why this matters so much. Think back to that fall we talked about at the beginning. A strong older adult may still trip. Anyone can fall. But everyday strength matters because your muscles help you stand up, walk, climb stairs, carry groceries, get out of a chair, and maintain physical independence. And sometimes independence is the real definition of strength. You may not care about having impressive muscles in the mirror, but you probably care about being able to get out of your chair without help. You care about walking to the bathroom at night. You care about carrying your own groceries. You care about visiting your family. You care about living in your own home for as long as possible. That's what we're protecting. So don't think of protein as something only bodybuilders need. Think of it as maintenance for the body you want to keep using. And remember, individual protein needs vary, especially for people with kidney disease or other medical conditions. If you're unsure how much protein is appropriate for you, speak with your healthcare professional. Because getting older is inevitable, but becoming unnecessarily weak doesn't have to be accepted as your destiny. Every meal is an opportunity to give your body what it needs, and sometimes something as simple as an egg, a bowl of beans, a cup of yogurt, or a piece of salmon can be part of protecting the independence you value most. Build your strength today, so tomorrow you can keep standing strong.